Sipping on my morning blend, staring off to space again, reading between the signs, but I'm caught up.
Barbecue. Ano part? Look at Glorieta Fort. It's Saturday and the morning of 11:10. So cool. Whoa, guys.
Cheese barbecue lang.
For the 3-hour movie. Struggles of a big Mac. Nakakaya that up.
Ay,
Wow. Ay, may potato corner pala dito. Saan? Nasaan? Oh, Odyssey. Christopher Nolan. May additional popcorn na. Grabe, ang dami. There's a bazaar, guys. Brew and whisk matcha coffee. What do you think of the movie? What can you say about the architecture of Glorieta? Ang galing!
what do you think?
Lagay mo ka sa bibig mo yan.
So,
Alam ko na.
so-
Tututok ko sa'yo habang sasalita kasi tutok ko sa akin.
So, we're gonna review the movie, The Odyssey.
Okay, what's your...
No, I will interview you.
Okay, what's your question?
My question is, which comes first? The egg or the chicken? So, what made you watch The Odyssey? And what...
Did you watch?
Oh,
I got the sea salt matcha. Taste test from Momoland.
where?
From there.
Say it
Oh,
verbally.
the sea salt cream is colored red. Bet ko yung sweetness and also bitterness is wala masyado. And ano ba ba? Umami. 4 out of 5. And nothingness a bit slight lang. Ayun pala ko natitikman. Dahil sabi ko sa inyo pa.
Sigiri, Bergamo.
Bring Egon, the usurper. Ay, ito ba si... Dapat makuha ko yung may ano siya dito, may ugat siya dito.
Nine. Kulang sa sauce. Kulang sa sauce. Okay na, kulang lang sa sauce.
Patorin nila. Chicken skin mga ito.
Oh, sarap.
Nakahamon sa table. Hindi mated. We are going to
Sina?
Glacier.
Last day na ngayon yan, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. Yes, ma'am?
Shaky pala, no? May gimbal. We are going to Muji. We're gonna go to Coco. Saan na ba yung Coco?
Bila.
Coco. Wow! Coco! We are gonna go home. Dilim. Are now in Bridges. We are gonna walk to Practice. It's a bit shaky. Sorry about that. Lo siento. Against the light dapat dito. Loramon. Lakas ba na boses ko? Lakas ba na
Dito,
boses?
dito. Nandito yung Starbucks.
Grabe yung Skintific, oh.
Bakit?
Yung foundation. Ano oras ko ba in-apply ito? Parang around... Last nga kami umalis kanina. Tayo umalis kanina.
Mga ano na, magwa-one na. Oh, mga
Oh.
1 tayo umalis.
Mga 1. So, mga 12. Tapos ano ng oras ko? 7:41 na. Ang dami ko kayong, Oculus car. Tapos di siya nakikita.
Wow. That's
Galing.
amazing.
Pero na oily na siya.
That's quite amazing.
We're gonna go to Frankie's. Ha? 30th ba yan?
Ata.
30th. Naaamoy ko na ang buffalo chicken tenders. We are near our destination. Oh my god. Food heaven. Frankie's, Goto Tendon. Ano yun? Kaukai. Yan ang alam ko dyan. Mga yan. But,
Walang kaukay dyan.
ha?
Walang kaukay dyan.
Ayun o, Kaukai. There. There, ayun o. Ah!
Pronunciation mo. Ano yung pronunciation mo kaya hindi ka napansin?
What's the pronunciation of the restaurant's name? Kako! 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 There's the Frankie! There it is. May lukab pala dito.
Nilo ka.
And Army Navy. Of course, we're gonna use the stairs. Because this is an exercise day. This is a day of physical activity. So we should use the stairs. We're here at LML1. Naglalakad daw pero naglakad sa ano. Ewan ko pala yung mic ko. Maglalakad lang papunta sa kakaitlay. Oh, ito nga kahit isang ganito lang. Ito. Wow. So we're now walking towards what avenue? 30th? 30th Avenue. Where his car is parked. Hi, pussy pussy! Haba. Bye-bye, Kato.
Bahay mo yan?
Ang cute nung ano niya, para siyang nakasuot ng tuxedo hanggang ulo.
Ay, mami na makita niyo yung bahay mo.
Hi! Haba na na. Bye-bye!
Joharas.
Inom ka na dyan. Eat ka.
Joharas.
Ang cute naman na ito. Ha?
After. Why na sila?
These are the fries. And these are the fries that we got. So I put all this stuff here in the box. And the fries. And water, liquor, and the other things. A large dish.
Sipping on my morning, staring off to space.